Hello everyone, welcome back. This recipe comes out in no time and is creamy and delicious. There are two ways to prepare rajma, one with tomatoes and the other one is with curd. So I'm going to prepare the second one. Wash the rajma thoroughly with the water for 4 to 5 times or till the water runs clear. Soak in water overnight and discard the water in the morning. Transfer it into a pressure cooker. Add fresh water, 2 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, a pinch of Asafoetida. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or till the rajma softens. I have taken 200 grams of curd in a bowl. Add paprika powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, cumin powder. Whisk everything. Add 1 teaspoon of fried gram flour, some more curd. Whisk everything. There should not be any lump. In a deep pan, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds and let it crackle. 2 red chillies, Asafoetida, mix well. Add the curd mixture prepared earlier. Stir. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the pre-boiled rajma. Meanwhile, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe. And do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the new video updates. If you try this recipe, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to receive the feedback. Mix well. Cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Add salt to taste. Stir. Once the gravy starts boiling, add chopped coriander leaves and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Serve with rice or paratha. Thanks for watching.